As we all are away from our home country, we will definitely miss the fanfare and celebrations surrounding the festival. But thank you, Ashitiji, for organizing and taking an initiative for organizing this program and this event every year. Thank you for that. In this happy occasion, I'm really happy that I got an opportunity to represent the nurses and to share my experience with you all within the 2 years in BSc. And thank you, Ashitiji, for giving me an opportunity for that. Thank you. I have started in BSc in 2022 and was very happily recruited for Ward 10 of Stoke Mandeville Hospital. And my journey was not so easy in very beginning. It was all of a roller coaster journey. Unfortunately, I had a back injury, and that was because of a slip and fall in the bathroom. So my journey was not so easy in the beginning. And after that, my daily activities and all the routines and the work of a staff nurse all got completely shattered, and I was held up in my room. And we have taken so much of treatments and nothing found so effective. But later, the trust have given me so much of time to regain my health. And thank you, BSc. It's all because of the trust I'm still here, because it was a very crucial time for me. And I was under treatment for many months. And after that, I was off sick and forced to be off sick from work because I was not able to get back to work. And my life got completely shattered and I was literally clueless. So what has to be done? So in that moment, Ashitiji was like an angel to me because I used to share all my concerns and worries to her. I was in the position where I will lose my job. So I have spoken everything to Ashitiji, and she was like my mother, and she was like my sister, and she's my best friend, to whom till now I share all my concerns. Thank you, Ashitiji, for being that much care and showing your love towards me. Thank you so much. During this time, the support from the trust, that was remarkable. I cannot forget how lovingly trust has supported me in this crucial situation. After many discussions and meetings, I was temporarily being redeployed to the Clinical Skills and Education Department for 3 months. And thank you so much, Patrick Buckley and Karen Gallo, for your timely support and help during this time. I know Patrick is not there, but still I have to thank him in his absence. And I had a very good time working with the education team, and they were all very supportive and they were all concerned about my health. And thank you for carrying me, the whole education team. And I was improving a lot, but still I was not able to get back to my ward and to start the normal position of a staff nurse. Day by day I was losing my hope, and I was worried that I may lose my job. In that point, I have contacted our dearest CEO of the trust, Neil McDonald, and thank you, Neil, for all your support and your kind words, and that given me a little hope, and my worries have reduced a little bit. Thank you, Neil, for that. And I had a very strong support from my matron, Roxana Moyes, and my ward manager, Emma Kerry. Even in their absence, I really want to thank them for their anticipated support and advice to overcome me from my pathetic situation, and their help is greatly appreciated. Finally, after a lot of prayers, treatments and support from all of my colleagues and family over here, I regained my normal health and I joined back for the duty. And as per advice of my doctor, I was redeployed permanently to main outpatient department of High Wycombe, and it's been 1 month. I'm with outpatient team, and it's very lovely team. I'm happy and coping well over there. And thank you, Trust, for all the supports have given to me. And especially I should thank all the dignitaries of HR department, Jodi Chauhan, HR business partner, Nicola Milne, HR advisor, Saloni Bhutto, HR support officer, and matron for integrated medicine, Ms. Roxana Moyes, for making the redeployment process much faster as they can, so that helped me to get back to my work as soon as possible. In this situation, once again I'm expressing my wholehearted gratitude to Neil McDonald, Karen Bonner, Chief of Nursing, Patrick Buckley in his absence, Karen Gallo, Rima D'Souza, Associate Chief Nurse of Governance. Thank you, Rima, for all your support. I will never forget you in my life. I'm always grateful for you. Thank you for all the advice and support that Rima has given me during that time. And to all other dignitaries of the trust who supported me and helped me in my crucial situation. Thank you everyone, and thank you so much, Ashishiji, for being with me during my hard times and my struggling days. I really value your support. Thank you all for listening to me and wishing you all a fun-filled and pleasant afternoon. Thank you.
Thank you, Jyoti. I'm so sorry to hear what you've been through, but really thank everyone in the trust for supporting her so much. Thank you.